90 Day Fiancé fan favorite cast members Kenneth Niedermeyer and Armando Rubio adopted a new puppy named Mika in December 2021, and fans can't get enough of the little Frenchie. The couple has discussed expanding their family a few times on 90 Day Fiancé the other way, but they decided to start with a new furry friend instead of a human baby. They haven't shared too many pictures yet of their new puppy, but she's a photogenic addition to the family. As one of the most well-liked couples in the 90 Day Fiancé franchise, Armando and Kenny are praised by fans for having excellent communication, thoughtfulness, and genuine affection for each other. There was some friction with Armando's family early on in their relationship because they were getting used to Armando's newly revealed sexual orientation. With that said, by the time that Kenny and Armando got married in a beautiful ceremony in Mexico, even Armando's traditionally minded father was in attendance, and there wasn't a dry eye in the house. The couple has been discussing adopting or having a baby via surrogate as the next step in their relationship, but they decided to start small. During Christmas 2021, Armando and Kenny added a new member to their adorable blended family. Even though Armando wants a baby, the couple settled on a new canine friend first. They introduced their French bulldog, Mika, on Instagram, and the fans obviously ate her up. The couple's daughter Hannah already seems obsessed with the new pup, and Kenny's dog, Truffles, appeared to be welcoming as well, with Mika quickly fitting in with her new family. Mika and Truffles. It's not always easy getting used to a new sibling, but Kenny's beloved sibling Truffles was nothing short of a sweetheart. In this photo, the two dogs pose for Instagram, and Mika clearly got some modeling pointers from Truffles. The pair of pups look majestic with cloudy skies behind them, and it's obvious that Mika was a great addition to the Niedermeyer-Rubio family. Kenny's grief counselor. Unfortunately, Truffles passed away in January 2022, and Kenny was understandably devastated. For 18 years, Truffles was Kenny's BFF and beloved furry companion, so it can't have been an easy loss. Kenny is dealing with a lot, and the death of a pet can have a profound impact on one's mental health. Thankfully, having Mika by his side has helped Kenny work through his grief. Moreover, it turns out that Kenny and Armando adopted Mika at just the right time. Overall, Armando, Kenny, and Hannah are all 90 Day Fiancé fan favorites, and Mika has now joined their adorable family. It's easy to see why they're one of the most relatable and beloved couples in a franchise that often receives so much criticism. Just when fans thought they couldn't love them more, Kenny and Armando introduced a cute new puppy, and Mika will surely be a star on their Instagram accounts.